Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good, enjoying the good conditions of your health. So today I am back again with another very stylish and amazing collection. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some awesome collections, some beautiful designs of lace fabric, dress design ideas for ladies and girls. So you will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of lace work styles dresses. You will find out skater dresses, short frock style dresses, midi dresses, knee-length style dresses, belted style designs, A-line style designs, flare style designs, umbrella designs, different and amazing styles, amazing designs of lace fabric dresses for your summer wears. So you will carry these styles of dresses for your summer parties. Very beautiful collection, very beautiful designs of party wear dresses, lace fabric style dresses. So if you love to wear lace fabric style dresses, if you are looking for latest collection and latest design ideas of lace fabric midi dresses or party wear dresses, so these are the best and latest collection of lace fabric dress design ideas today I have collected for you in this video. So must watch this video till the end for getting new ideas and new designs, and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. So must watch this video till the end. If you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of lace fabric short frock designs, so please dear ladies, dear girls, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. Do share my video so that new people get new ideas and new designs. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notification of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was this designs of lace fabric, frock design ideas, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must tell me in the comment section about your opinions about my videos, about my content. For more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so you will find out party wear dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls, plus size women dresses, mother of the bride dresses, maxi style dresses, A-line style dresses, skater dresses, midi dresses, top designs, blouse designs. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses from those videos. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs. Very beautiful collection, very beautiful designs of lace fabric, short frock style dresses, midi dresses, knee-length style dresses. I hope so you all are going to love these designs. So must watch video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.